what exactly did you quantize? Did you quantize the weights?
I quantized the images being fed through.
Ah, okay.
It was more of an input quantization than the network itself being quantized.
Okay. Okay, but the parameters of the networks are huge. So the parameters of the networks are heavier than the input size, in my opinion. Don't you agree?
Correct. The idea in my aspect was the idea of making sure so that the input could be taken from anything instead of just a very large image. And I was trying to figure out if a lower bit level image could work. In the future, I'm also going to be implementing the quantization into the network as well, which I've already started working on. It's just there wasn't enough there to put into this presentation.
Okay, so I think it's an interesting idea, by the way. I kind of liked it. So what you're saying is you have a network. It is not quantized. It was trained. Instead of feeding original images to the network, you are bit quantizing the pixel values, not the resolution, so that the information flow to the network is fast. So if you have memory in your card, but if the transmission line is weak, you don't have bandwidth, this would help. So in your results, did you get, comparable results?
When it was a 24-bit or above system, the results were completely comparable since the images being fed through were above those bit limits. However, when the bit limit became lower than 16 and down to 8, the results were not comparable at all, to the point where in an 8-bit system, the accuracy fell down to 53%, which was basically random guessing.
Okay, you're right. So if you could have some pictures of the pixel quantized images, we would have a better idea of why it works or why it couldn't work. Maybe if you had those pictures, it would mean something, but that's something. That's pixel-based quantization. That's not what I had in mind, but it's okay. It's okay. If you make quantization analysis on the weights as well, it could show a comparable thing. But this is a good idea, by the way, Doruk. I liked it. We are trying to make the transmission faster. Okay.
And with the weight quantization, what I have been doing has been slowly turning the weights, quantizing the weights, as well as feeding the normal input as well as the quantized input, trying to see the differences in how the network deals with the differences. However, as I mentioned, I didn't have enough results there or data there to put into here.
That's nice. I mean, if you could obtain a table showing the all results in your reports, well, that could be a complete study, in my opinion. Okay, thank you. Any other questions, guys? Okay.
Pardon.
Var mı? No. Okay then. Thank you.